Dry patches and flakiness are two of the most common issues that people with dry skin experience. Despite this, your skin can be maintained with specific ingredients found in face pack for dry skin. As such, we have rounded up some of the best DIY face masks for dry skin in this video. So, without further ado, let's jump into the video. There's nothing worse than a flaky forehead, so try this homemade hydrating avocado and honey face mask that will moisturize your dry, irritated skin. Avocados and olive oils used in the mask contain the omega acid that seals the cracks between the cells of your skin. Moreover, honey and yogurt in the mask will soothe and hydrate your skin. So, this is going to be a great mask to heal your cracks and soothe the skin. To make this avocado mask, you will need half avocado, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Take a ripe avocado and mash it nicely. You can also use a food processor to make a smooth paste fast. Then, you can add honey, olive oil, and plain yogurt to the avocado paste and your mask is ready. Now, evenly spread the paste on your face with your fingers or a mask brush. And leave the mask on your face for 10 to 15 minutes. Afterwards, take some lukewarm water and rinse your face to enjoy a soothing and hydrated skin. Dry skin is more susceptible to the damaging effects of environmental aggressors like pollution. And that's when an almond and olive oil mask comes in handy. Almond and olive oil may seem like a basic face mask, but the fatty acid contents from the almonds penetrate through the skin, leaving your skin soft and supple, while the vitamin E from olive oils acts like a coat or armor against dehydration and free radicals. In addition, the matcha powder in the mask will neutralize those pesky free radicals and prevent the breakdown of your collagen. So, this can be a great protector from pollutants while keeping up your face collagen. To create this almond and olive oil mask, you will need 1 handful of ground almonds, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of matcha powder. Use the food processor to grind the almonds into the paste. Add the olive oil and matcha powder to the paste and mix them well into a mask. When you have a smooth and fine paste, apply the mask with your hands to your face and allow the mask to sit on your face for around 10 minutes. And then rinse your face with water. You can use this mask daily as it's a versatile mask and keep your skin hydrated. If you're exhausted with your stash of hyaluronic acid serums, but yet your dry skin is not in the check, then this aloe vera face mask is for you. Aloe vera is widely known among skincare junkies as one ingredient that will soothe your skin, especially if you are having dry and irritated skin. Along with kaolin is another widely known ingredient for its ability to manage dry skin, makes this mask effective for your skin. And when you add some honey to the mask, it acts as an excellent humectant that seals your skin, making it soft and supple. In short, this is going to be a reviving mask for your dry, patchy skin, so let's make the mask. You will need 6 teaspoons of kaolin clay, 2 teaspoons of aloe vera honey, and 1 teaspoon of natural honey. For creating this mask, take kaolin clay, aloe vera, and honey into a mixing bowl and mix them together into a fine paste. Now, if you find the texture too dry, then you can add a splash of water into the mixture. After that, massage the paste gently on the face and neck and leave it on for 20 minutes. Finally, take lukewarm water and rinse it off from your skin. You don't need to spend mega bucks on facials, as this banana, baking soda, and honey face mask will brighten and soothe your skin. This mask uses bananas, which are widely used in many skincare products for their soothing and moisturizing properties. Moreover, the fruit has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties that help in preventing free radical damage. And the baking soda and honey in the face mask are used for their antifungal and antimicrobial properties. So, to enjoy a healthy, bright face, you can make this mask at your home. You will need half-ripe banana, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of baking soda for making this face mask. Peel the banana and turn it into a smooth paste with a fork or a blender. Then add 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of baking soda to the banana paste and turn it into a smooth paste. But before adding baking soda, do a patch test as baking soda might irritate some people. Now, after you have converted it into a smooth paste, apply the mask gently to your face with your fingers. Do not use this face mask on your face more than 2 days a week. There's nothing wrong with craving a radiant and healthy complexion. If that's what you are seeking, then try this cucumber and milk mask. Now, cucumber in the mask has cooling benefits as it reduces the redness of your skin and soothes your dry and rough skin. Furthermore, honey has antimicrobial functions and nourishes your skin. And using milk in the mask, on the other hand, moisturizes your skin, reduces the early aging signs, and brightens your skin more. Now the sugar in the mask acts as an exfoliant agent, leaving your skin noticeably softer just after one use. This mask smells so good that you will feel like you are in a spa and not your kitchen while applying this mask. For the cucumber and milk mask, you will need half cup cucumber pureed in a food processor, 1/4 cup milk, 1 tablespoon honey, and 1 tablespoon brown sugar. First, take the cucumber and puree it, or you can use a pureed cucumber. Then mix the milk, honey, and brown sugar with the pureed cucumber. Now, you can leave the sugar semi-granulated as it will help with the exfoliation of the skin and remove the dead cells. However, try to avoid the jagged ends of the sugar as it might leave micro tears on the skin. Apply this mask to your face and gently exfoliate your face. You can use this mask twice a week for fresh and radiant looking skin. These are a few of the DIY face masks for dry skin that will keep your dry skin hydrated and soothed. Try these recipes at home and let us know your experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends if you find our videos useful. Be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.